Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create progress chart in Microsoft Excel. So get it started. At first you open your Excel document file. Firstly then you show the Excel document is create for the progress chart. Firstly click for the chart as position option. Now keyboard press from now. Firstly equal left first bracket sorry inverted comma double quotation comma select for the data now first bracket and again data select and double quotation and close the first bracket before enter. That's okay. Then I show the progress chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.